Good morning, children. Welcome back to Maths online class. Okay, children, now open your textbooks, page number 136. Page number 136 is reduction to lowest terms. Look at this picture, children. Here we have how many boxes? See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total how many square boxes are there? Yes, 12. So here denominator is 12. Here lines are drawn now. Yes, see here the lines. Yes. See, open your textbooks and see, children. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Total 6 by 12. 6 by 12. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total boxes are there, no? Total any boxes unayo? Our total number we have to write in denominator. Again, lines are there, no? See here, children, in your textbook also there. Here lines are there, no? How many boxes are there with lines? That number we have to write in numerator. Okay? Now see here. From this diagram, we get 6 by 12 equal to 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. This is a 6 by 12. First one, 3 by 6. 1 by 2. Lowest denominator. This is the lowest denominator. See here, children. 6 by 12 is reduced to 3 by 6 and further to 1 by 2. Here 6 by 12 is reduced to 3 by 6 and again reduced to 1 by 2. It cannot be reduced. Here 1 by 2 is there, no? That 1 by 2 never be reduced. Because these two numbers will reduce means, again see here, if these two numbers are there, no, 1 by 2, if we reduce these two numbers also, again we get the 1 by 2 only. That's why this is the final one. Next, the fraction 1 by 2 is the lowest. The fraction 1 by 2 is the lowest one. Hence, the fraction 1 by 2 is in its lowest terms. 1 by 2 is its lowest terms. Now see here the note. A fraction is said to be in its lowest terms if the numerator and denominator do not have any common factor other than 1. See here, a factor is said to be in its lowest term. If the factor is said to be the lowest term, like 1 by 2, if the numerator and denominator do not have any common factor, if the numerator and also the denominator doesn't have any common factor other than 1. See here, children, 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2 will be divisible in only one table. That is one table. That only. See here, other than 1. 1 1 is 1, 1 2 is 1. Again 1 by 2 only it will get. See here, children, another point. Divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same whole number. Here we have to divide the numerator and the denominator by the same whole number. By the same number we have to divide the numerator and the denominator also. The whole number must divide evenly into both numbers. The whole number must and should be divide the both numbers. Continue to divide the numerator and denominator until there is no number. Here we have to continue this process until there is no number other than the 1. How we will continue here? 6 by 12, 3 by 6, 1 by 2. Like this we have to continue the numerator and denominator until the answer will be 1 only. That can be divided evenly in both numbers 1 and also that can be evenly divided into both numbers only. Here, children, for example, reduce 36 by 42 to its lowest terms. Here we have to reduce this number. Which number? 36 by 42. You can see here, reduce 36 by 42 to its lowest terms. Now we are going to reduce this number. So first what I told, first we have to find out the HCF of these two numbers. Find out the HCF now. See here. The HCF of 36 and what is this number? 42. Tell me, children, what is the HCF of 36 and 42? Already in previous chapter we discussed the HCF and LCF. Now tell 36 and 42. Do the HCF. Now first we have to find out the factors. See here 36. 1 into 36. In 2 table 36 is there or not there? Yes. How many times? 2 into, see here, 18 times. Next 3 into 12. In 4 table 36 is there or not there? Yes. How many times? 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. So here, see children, in 6 table 36 is there or not there? 6 6 are 36. These are the factors of 36. Again we have to find out the factors of 42. Why we are finding these factors, children? To find out the HCF. To find out the HCF. Here see, 1 into 42 is equals to 42. Next in 2 table, 42 is there or not there? Yes. Why? Because in 1's place 2 is there. 2 is an even number. Even number is there means the number is divisible by 2. How many times? 2 2s are 4. Next 2 1s are 2. Next, see here children, in 3 table 42 is there or not there? In 3 table. Here what is this 2 numbers? In 3 table means what we have to do? Sum of the digits. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. 6 is divisible by 3 now. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits means here 6 is there. 6 is there means in 3 table 6 is divisible. So this 42 also divisible by 3. How many times children? Yes, 1s are 4s are. 3 into 14 is equals to 42. Next, in 5 table is there or not there? Not there. In 4 table also this number is not there. So again we have to go through the 6. 7s are, what is this number? 6 7s are 42. Just write this all numbers. 36 is equals to 1 2 3 4 6. 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 and 36. Next 42. 42 is equals to 1 2 3 6. 1 2 3 6 7 14 21 42. Here among these numbers, what is this common numbers? How many are there? 1 is the common factor and 2 is the common factor, 3 is the common factor and again 6 is the common factor. See here children, 1 2 3 6. Among these 4 numbers, which number is the HCF means highest number? No, highest number is which number? 6 is the highest number. So see children here, the HCF of 36 and 42 is equals to which number? 6. To find out this one number, we have to do this whole process. Okay children, ఈ ఒక్క నెంబర్ కనుక్కోవడం కోసం మనం HCF ఆఫ్ ఈ 2 నెంబర్స్ కి చేయాలి. ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ చేసి వచ్చిన నెంబర్స్ ని కామన్ తీసుకొని ఆ కామన్ నెంబర్స్ లో హైయెస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఉన్న ఆ నెంబర్ ని ఇక్కడ వేసుకోవాలి. టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద HCF we have to do this HCF process. Okay, now see here what we have to do. 36 by 42. What is the HCF number? The HCF number is 6. No? So here we have to divide these 2 numbers by 6. 36 divided by 6 by 42 divided by 6. In 6 table 36 is there or not there? Yes. 6 6 are 36 and again 6 7s are 42. Here 36 by 42 is equals to 6 by 7. This is the lowest term. This is the lowest term for 36 and 42. మనం HCF కనుక్కున్నామా? ఆ HCF నెంబర్ తోని ఈ 2 నెంబర్స్ ని డివిజన్ చేయాలి. పైన న్యూమరేటర్ అండ్ డినామినేటర్ we have to take the same number now. Yes. So here we have to divide these 2 numbers. What we get, 6 by 7 is the lowest terms. 36 by 42 is equals to 6 by 7. See children, we will do like this also. Simplify 70 by 105 to its lowest terms. Simplify 70 by 105. We have to simplify the 70 by 105 to its lowest terms. To its lowest terms. See here 70 is there, here 105 is there. Now see here. First, we have to check that these two numbers are divisible by which table. See here children, these two numbers are divisible by which table? Yes, 5. Why? Because the ones place is 0 and 5. Both the numbers are 0 and 5. These two numbers are divisible by 5 table. Now divide the numerator and denominator by 5. Here we have to go through the denominator and numerator by 5. See here 70 divided by 5 by 105 divided by 5. In 5 table, 70 is divisible or not? Yes. Why? Because in 1's place 0 is there. No, that's why this number is divisible by 5 and 105 also divisible. See here 70. In which table we have to divisible this number? 5. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 2 is 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Here 0 we have to borrow. 4 is 20. The remainder is 0. See here children, what is this number? 14. Quotient we have to write here. Next to 105 also like this only we have to do. In how many times 105 is divisible? 21 times. Just once see here children. One not 5 which table? 5 table. 5 table only no? Yes. 5 2s are 10. Again 5 is there no? 1s are 5. What is the quotient here? 21 is the quotient. Here we have to write the quotient. Okay. The HCF of 14 and 21 is 14 and 21. These two numbers are divisible by which table children? These two numbers are divisible by 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. No, that's why the HCF of 14 and 21 is 7. See here, 14 divisible by 7 by 21 divisible by 7 equals to 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Here see the prime factorization of 14 is equals to 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. Prime factorization of 21 is equals to 7 3s are 21. So HCF of 14 and 21 is 7. Here already I told here no that.
See children, reduce the following fractions to their lowest terms. Now we are going to reduce these numbers. I told in the introduction no. Now what we have to do at first, see the solution, we have to find out the HCF of these two numbers. The HCF of 14 and 21 equals to, what is the HCF of 14 and 21? We have to do the what we have to do children? Again we have to find out these two numbers of factors. First 14 is there no? And the 14 factors 1 into 14. In one table 14 is already there. In two table 14 is there or not there? Yes. How many times? 2 7s are 14. In 3 table 14 is there or not there? Not there. In 4 table not there. 5 table not there. So these are the factors of 14 and again 21. Tell the factors of 21. 1 into 21. In 2 table 21 is there or not there? Not there. Why? Because this in 1's place 1 is there, no? 1 is not an even number. So this 21 is not divisible by 2 table. Again 21 is there in which table children? In 3 table. 3 7. These are the only the factors of 21 and 14. See here 14 is equals to 1, 2, 7 and 14. Next here 21 is equals to 1, 3, 7, 21. Among these numbers, which is the common factors? Here 1 is the common factor and 7 is the common factor. Among these two numbers 1 and 7, which is the highest number children? Yes, very good. 7 is the highest number. So 7 is the HCF of 14 and 21. So here write the number 7. Now what we have to do is we have to find out these two numbers division. See here 14 by 21. 14 by 21 is equals to 14 divided by, here what is the HCF number? 7 is there, no? So here write this number here. 7. Again 21 divided by 7. Now tell me children, in 7 table 14 is there or not there? How many times? Tell me children, 7 table. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. See here. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. So here we have to write the number 2. Next, in 21 is there or not there in 7 table? 7 3s are 21. So here write the number 3. So 14 by 21 equals to 2 by 3. At first we have to find out the HCF number. Afterwards we have to divide this number, HCF number, to this 14 by 21. What we will get? Reducing the fraction of 2 by 3 is the slowest term. So 14 by 21 equals to 2 by 3. Second sum, 9 by 12. See the solution? To find out what we have to find out, children, here we have to find out the HCF, no? Yes, the HCF of 9 and 12 is equals to find out the HCF, what we have to do? To check the fractions, factors, no? See the number, what is this? The first number? 9. First one is 9. 1 into 9 is equals to 9. So no need to write this. 1 into 9. Next. In 2 table 9 is there or not there? In 2 table 9 is not there. So in 3 table 9 is there or not there, children? Yes. 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9. What is the number? 3 3 is a 9. Again 9 is there in any table. In 9 table 9 is there in 9 already. I wrote here 9 ones are 9. Now we have to go to the next number, 12. 1 into 12. This is the common factor. 1 into, which number is there? That number we have to write. 1 into 12 is equals to 12. In 2 table 12 is there or not there? Yes. How many times? 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Next. In 3 table 12 is there or not there? Yes. How many times? 3 4s are 12. These are the factors of 12 and 9. See here. 9 is equals to 1 here, 2 3s are there, no need to write 2, just write only 1, 3, 9. Next, 12 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 4, 6, 12. Common factors are 1 and 3. Here what are the common factors? 1 and 3. Among these two numbers, which number is the highest number? We have to find out the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So, among these two numbers, which number is the highest number? 3 is the highest number. So, here 9 and 3. What is this? The HCF of 9 and 3 is equals, 9 and 12 is equals to 3. Okay, what is the HCF here? 3 is the HCF. Next, see here children, 9 by 12. What is the question? 9 by 12. What we have to do? This number is there now. To which number is this HCF number is there now? We have to divide this number. Division we have to do. 9 divided by 3. And again 12 divided by 3. Tell me children, in 3 table 9 is there or not there? See here. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 3s are 9. How many times? 3 times is there now. We have to write here 3. Next, in 3 table 12 is there or not there? See, 3 4s are 12. So, which number we have to write? 4. 9 by 12 is equals to 3 by 4. 9 by 12 is equals to 3 by 4. 3 3s are which number? 9. Next, 3 4s are 12. Next, second one. Which of the devices can be used to reduce each given fraction to its lowest terms without long process? In the first step we do the long process. Now we have to do only the lowest terms without long process. Without long process we have to do. Already they gave some devices numbers. Now we have to take these numbers and do the HCF of the 42 and 54. See the solution children here. 42 by 54. These two numbers are divisible by 2 table. Why? Because here, see children, here 2 is there, here 4 is there. These 2 and 4 are the even numbers. Even numbers means the number is divisible by 2. And again see the 3 also. 4, 5, 6. Here 5, 6 means 2 numbers will equals to 6. 6 is divisible by 3 table. Okay, this will be divisible. And again, see this 40, 54. 54 means count these two numbers. What is the number? 9 we will get. 9 is also divisible by 3. Here, see, these two numbers are divisible by 2 and 3. These two numbers are divisible by 2 and 3. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 means that number is divisible by 6 also, no? We have to take the highest big number. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన అన్ని నెంబర్స్ మనం పెద్ద నెంబర్ తీసుకొని చేస్తే మనకి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఇక్కడ 2 టేబుల్ 3 టేబుల్లో ఈ నెంబర్స్ డివిజిబుల్ అవుతున్నాయి అంటే 6 టేబుల్లో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది కదా. సో హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ద నెంబర్ 6. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నౌ విచ్ నెంబర్ we are taking? 6. 42 divided by 6 by 54 divided by 6. In 6 table 42, how many times the number is divisible? Yes, 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are 42. And next, in 6 table 54 is there or not there? Yes, there. How many times 54 is divisible? 6 times 54. So 42 by 54 is equals to 7 by 9. See children, ఇందాక సమ్లో మనం ఏం చేసాము? హెచ్సిఎఫ్ కోసం మనం ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ చేసాం. అప్పుడు అంటే మనకి నెంబర్స్ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి చేసాం. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చారంటే మనకి ఆల్రెడీ వాళ్ళు నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ఆ నెంబర్స్ని తీసుకొని మనం హెచ్సిఎఫ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇచ్చినట్టే కదా ఇప్పుడు నెంబర్ తీసుకొని డివిజన్ చేయాలి. ఈ నెంబర్స్ తీసుకునేటప్పుడు కూడా బిగ్ నెంబర్ తీసుకుంటే మనకి ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఏ నెంబర్ తీసుకున్నా సేమ్ ఆన్సరే వస్తుంది, కానీ బిగ్ నెంబర్ తీసుకుంటే మనకి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. 2 టేబుల్తో 3 టేబుల్తో డివిజిబుల్ అయితే 6 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి మనం 6 నెంబర్ తీసుకొని ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ లాగా డివిజన్ చేసి చేసేస్తాం. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద హెచ్సిఎఫ్ ఇన్ దిస్ సమ్? 6 is the HCF. So here we have to divide the number by 6. 7 by 9. 42 by 54 is equals to 7 by 9. Children, here I told the big number now. Among these total numbers now, we have to check the number is divisible by these two numbers or not. బిగ్ నెంబర్ తీసుకోవాలంటే ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన వాటిలో 9 అనేది బిగ్ నెంబర్. కాకపోతే మనం ఏది తీసుకోవాలంటే డివిజిబుల్ అవుతున్నాయి చూడండి, అలా డివిజిబుల్ అయ్యే నెంబర్స్లో బిగ్ నెంబర్ని తీసుకోవాలి. దట్ నెంబర్ ఈస్ 6.
The question, children. Arun spent 2 hours working on his history project last Saturday. Here Arun spent 2 hours. 2 hours time for which history project last Saturday. హిస్టరీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ కోసం లాస్ట్ సాటర్డే అరుణ్ 2 hours స్పెండ్ చేశాడు, వర్క్ చేశాడు. ఇఫ్ హీ స్పెంట్ ఏ టోటల్ ఆఫ్ 10 hours ఆన్ ద ప్రాజెక్ట్, ఇఫ్ హీ spend how much time? 10 hours on the project. What fraction of the total time did he spend on Saturday? If actually Arun spent 2 hours. If we are thinking that if Arun spent 10 hours means what is the total fraction we have to find out. Now see the solution here.
See the solution children. Arun spent on his history project. At Saturday, how many hours he spent? See. Arun spent working on his which project children? Yes, history project. How many hours? 2 hours. Next, if he spent total spend, if he spent 10 hours means see spend of time 10 hours. How many hours in a one day? How many hours? Total number of hours in one day. One day how many hours are there? Yes, very good children, 24 hours. Now see what we have to find out. Fraction of the total time he spent. Fraction of the total time he spent on Saturday. Which day? Is Saturday. How many hours he spent? Total hours 10 no? 10 by Total how many hours are there in one day? 24 hours. See here children, 10 and 24. 10 is total spent hours and 24 is the one day. How many hours are there? 24 hours. No? That 24 here. See here 10 by 24. This right here 10 by 24. 10, 24 in which table? 10 and 24 is there? Yes, in 2 table 10 and 24 is there. How many times? 2 5s are 10. Next 2 12s are 24. This is the fraction. This is the fraction. Total calculate the fraction is equals the total type of fraction is equals to 5 by 12. 5 by 12 is the total fraction. చూడండమ్మా ఇక్కడ 10 లో వేసామంటే టోటల్ ఎంత ఉన్నాయి ఇఫ్ అనుకున్నాం కదా ఇఫ్ ఈజ్ పెట్టడానికి అనుకోవాలి సో ఇక్కడ 10 ఉంది కదా ఆ 10 ఇక్కడ వేసుకున్నాం వన్ డేకి వచ్చేసి ఎన్ని హవర్స్ ఉన్నాయి 24 hours that 24 hours we have to write in denominator so 10 by 24 is there again we have to take these two numbers here and these two numbers are divisible by 2 table no that's why lowest terms are 5 by 12 so what is the fraction 5 by 12.
Okay, children, must and should complete your classwork and homework and send to my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubts, call me. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you, children.